Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, brothers and sisters. Today we will start the lesson of the basic rules of Quran. So this lesson basically is made for those individuals and the men and women who cannot read the Quran from the beginning. So first we will discuss about the alphabet of the Quran of Arabic. So first one is the Alif. So this is the Alif. And Alif. Alif. Alif comes out from the empty space of the mouth. Alif. Next one, Ba. So you remember this thing, when the one dot downside, so it will be always Ba. Okay. So A A Ba. So Ba will be pronounced when our inner wet part of lips met, so then ba will be pronounced. Next one is the ta. T A A, ta. Okay, so when the one dot downside, one when the one dot downside, it will be ba, and when the two dots upside, it will be ta. So you will be remember the one dot sign downside and two dots sign upside, and it can come any shape in the Quran. For example, look at this. This is ba, and look at this. This is the. Why? Because one dot downside and two dot upside, it will be ta, and one dot downside, it will be ba. Next one, sa. Actually, some people pronounce this alphabet sa. They pronounce with the sound of whistle. Sa. This is wrong. When we pronounce, so we will pronounce to avoiding the sound of whistle. Sa. Okay. Sa. Sa. Not sa. So when the three dot upside, it will be sa. So sometime only this shape used in the ba, and this shape used in the ta, and this shape used in the sa. So you will be remember the dots. Okay, one dot downside, it will be always ba, two dot upside, it will be ta, and three dot upside, it will be sa. So inshallah we will read the next alphabets in the next video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.